So you have multiple social media accounts that you manage: Facebook, Instagram, X, YouTube, Pinterest, and so on. With so many platforms, notifications, and content to post, keeping up feels like a never-ending task. That's why social media management tools exist. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one is right for you? In this video, we're reviewing Hootsuite, one of the biggest names in the industry. We'll break down what it does, its pros and cons, pricing, and whether it's actually worth your money, or if there's a better option out there. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear answer on whether Hootsuite is the right tool for your social media needs. Let's jump in. So, what exactly is Hootsuite? If you've ever wished for a one-stop shop for managing all your social media accounts, that's exactly what Hootsuite aims to be. It allows you to schedule posts, track analytics, monitor audience engagement, and even run ads, all from a single dashboard. It works with major platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and X, making it especially useful for businesses and content creators juggling multiple accounts. Sounds convenient, right? Well, before jumping in, let's take a closer look at its biggest strengths and weaknesses. No tool is perfect, and Hootsuite is no exception. Here's what you need to consider before making a decision. Here are some of the pros. All-in-one dashboard. Manage multiple platforms from a single interface, reducing time spent switching between accounts. Social listening tools. You can monitor brand mentions, industry trends, and competitor activity with built-in sentiment analysis. App integrations. Hootsuite works with popular tools like Canva, Dropbox, Google Drive, and Slack to streamline content creation and team collaboration. 30-day free trial. Test premium features before committing. Talking about the cons. Major cons of Hootsuite includes pricing is expensive. Lowest tier plan starts at $99 per month, which can be costly compared to alternatives that will be suggested towards the end of the video. Free trial requires credit card. You'll need to enter payment details up front, and if you forget to cancel, you'll definitely be charged. Learning curve for new users. The platform has a lot of features, which can be overwhelming if you're just looking for simple scheduling. Now that we've covered the pros and cons, let's take a closer look at the key features that define Hootsuite. The major reason people use Hootsuite is for its scheduling capabilities. For example, the content calendar lets you view and organize posts by week or month. You can filter posts by platform or status. The platform even recommends the best posting times based on audience engagement data. For social media managers, having everything planned out visually is a huge advantage. If you're working with a team or managing multiple brands, this feature alone might justify the cost. One of Hootsuite's newer tools is Writer AI, a content generator designed to help users create captions quickly. Here's how it works. Type in a topic or keyword, choose a tone, friendly, professional, luxury, etc. Click Create Caption, and let the AI generate the text for you. While the results are decent, they can be a little generic. It's a nice time saver for Instagram or Facebook posts, but if you want a truly unique voice, you'll likely need to tweak it. Still, if you're short on time, it can be very useful. Want to know what people are saying about your brand? Hootsuite's social listening tool tracks mentions, industry trends, and competitor activity. I tested this feature with keywords like social media marketing, and while it provided useful insights, the interface was a bit overwhelming at first. You can filter results by sentiment, positive, neutral, negative, media type, region, and language. However, you need to spend some time learning how to interpret the data effectively. So I'd recommend you watch a guide or training to fully use these features and better understand the data. For businesses that rely on customer feedback and brand monitoring, this feature is valuable. But if you just need basic engagement tracking, it might be more than you need. The initial dashboard gives you an overview of key metrics and insights, offering a clear picture of how your content is performing. Even though my account is new and there wasn't any data to work with, I still decided to look through some of its tracking tools. Among the various tools offered, you'll find benchmarking, organic reporting, and ads reporting. Benchmarking lets you track and analyze your competitors' activities. However, to use it effectively, you need to connect accounts from Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter and link your Instagram business account. Organic reporting provides insights into post performance and also helps you decide the best times to publish. The post engagement tool tracks key metrics to analyze audience interaction with your content, while the ads reporting tool provides key metrics to help track your Facebook and Instagram ads performance. All right, let's talk numbers, because this is where Hootsuite loses some people. One major complaint of non-Hootsuite users is its pricing. Unlike some competitors, Hootsuite's lower-tier plan is still relatively expensive. Here's what you get at each level. Professional plan, which costs $99 per month, for only 1 user and 10 social accounts. Unlimited post scheduling, analytics, and amongst other features. This is best for individuals, solopreneurs, or small businesses who need a simple but powerful scheduler. If you're managing multiple platforms but don't need team collaboration features, this plan covers all the essentials. There's also the team plan, which goes for $249 per month for 3 users, 20 social accounts. You get everything the professional plan offers, plus all the features they've listed here. This plan is best for small teams or marketing agencies. If you work with a team and need approval workflows, analytics, and shared access, this plan is worth considering. However, the price jump from the professional plan is quite significant. Finally, there's the enterprise plan, which has custom pricing, and you have to request a demo. It starts with 5 users. You can link up to 50 social accounts or more. You also get everything in the team plan, plus all the features they listed here, like unlimited ad spend, content library, add-ons, and much more. The enterprise plan also comes with free Hootsuite Academy training. This plan is clearly tailored for corporations and global brands that need enterprise-level security, automation, and 24/7 support. So, is Hootsuite worth the price? If you run a marketing agency or manage multiple brands, Hootsuite's team collaboration tools and analytics justify the cost. If you heavily rely on analytics and social listening, Hootsuite's advanced insights can give you a competitive edge. If you only need basic scheduling, there are cheaper alternatives like Tailwind or Buffer. The bottom line is, Hootsuite is powerful, but pricey. If you can maximize its features, the investment makes sense. But if you just need to schedule posts, there are more affordable tools that might be a better fit. While Hootsuite is packed with features, it's not without its drawbacks. The interface can feel overwhelming as it is feature-rich. If you just need basic scheduling, you might prefer a simpler tool. Pricing is high compared to competitors. Alternatives like Buffer or Tailwind offer more affordable options if you're looking for something simpler. Some features require additional setup. For example, benchmarking requires multiple account connections, making it less beginner-friendly. So, should you invest in Hootsuite? I'd say it all depends on your needs. If you manage multiple social accounts and need a professional scheduling tool, or want in-depth analytics and social listening to track performance, maybe you work with a team and need collaboration tools, then yes, Hootsuite is a good fit for you. But if you only need basic scheduling and prefer a cheaper tool, or you're a LinkedIn-focused creator, or let's just say you don't want to deal with a learning curve or complex setup and just want something simple, then Hootsuite isn't for you. I'd recommend you try other alternatives like Tailwind or Buffer. Overall, Hootsuite is powerful, but not for everyone. If you need a full-featured social media management platform, it's definitely worth considering. But if you only need simple scheduling, there are more affordable alternatives. What do you think? Is Hootsuite the right tool for you? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you're looking for a simple social media management tool, you should definitely check out my video where I break down Tailwind, an easy-to-use tool for social media management. I'll leave a link down in the description. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to leave a like and drop a comment if you found this review helpful. See you in the next video.